Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can fix Google Play Store app missing. So if you search all over your home screen and search all over your phone and the Google Play Store is not there, it might be disabled. So I'm going to show you how we can re-enable that. On your settings, you want to search on the settings and you want to search something called apps. Now on apps, you want to go on apps, and on apps, you want to go on manage apps. On manage apps, you want to find the Google Play Store, right? So Google. Now you can see there's a couple of ones we can play. Now, of course, we want to tap on Google Play Store. Now on Google Play Store right now, you can see that my Google Play Store is enabled and it's good, right? But I'll show you what it looks like if it's disabled. So if I click on disable app, now you can see the app won't be available on my phone anymore, right? So you can see there's a huge red mark there showing that it's not available. So what we just need to do is we go to Google Play Store and we need to click on enable. Now you can see it's as easy as that. The Google Play Store is now back on business. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.